Well, he better make. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, to call this a reduced sentence is a slap in the face of the justice system, viewers and subscribers. The 3-judge tribunal, I don't know how them are going with. I don't know how them are going with. Regardless of their ruling, the move was already to take the matter to the Privy Council in the UK. So whatever them did say upon them sentencing, we never really did pay much mind. But just looking at the ruling where them hand out, 2.5 years after the longest appeal in appeal court history, after the longest trial in court history, 2.5 years saying that Vybz Kartel will be eligible for parole at the age of 76 after serving 32 years instead of the 35. Joke settings, viewers and subscribers. Joke settings. But then again, as I pointed out, their ruling has no effect on the matter being taken to the appeal court. Yeah, we know the DPP right now at this point in time more than likely happy with the sentence. But keep in mind, viewers and subscribers, this has no weighing on the move to take the matter to the appeal court. As a matter of fact, this proves that now we can finally say we're done with local appeal court, or we can move forward with the Privy Council based in the United Kingdom, which is Jamaica's final appellant court. And that's how we are tired of anyway. So regardless of what these 3 judges have passed out, but it put into perspective something though. It is clearly, viewers and subscribers, an agenda at play. Because remember, them say present or not present to it, so we can reduce the sentence. They made their statement publicly, said them plan for reduce the sentence, and then shave off 2.5 years, and then consider it or package it, brand it, and put it out there to the public as justice. What are your thoughts? First and foremost, as I said, we never really pay this much mind, because we already know, say, the release of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers at this point in time will forward from the Privy Council. We already see, say, linkage are going, and certain forces have teamed up to keep the dancehall king behind the bars, and also his other co-accused, because they make sure early out, make sure so them find something from Madsus and Cairo from early out to say, alright, with this we can keep it. They were kind of unsure what was going to take place, but then just make a decision to say, alright, we're going to take it to the Privy Council. And after hearing the lawyer's statement say, yes, that is the move, I guess them decide to say, alright, we're just basically make the sentence stay. Them shave off on 2.5 years. But basically the same sentence. 35, 32. Basically the same sentence, viewers and subscribers. 2.5 years. While being eligible and getting that 20, majority of people behind the bars know them to say, alright, just serve 2.5 more years and jump out depending upon them sentence when them already have. They may look upon it as a win. But in this situation, we don't consider it a win. We never consider it as bad news per se, because we already expected something like this. This was already the expectations. People did appreciate, say, yo, at the end of the day, the fact say, yo, them choose to uphold the initial conviction. Well, if them do not with the sentence, them now go drastically reduce it enough so that the teacher would walk free. No, them never gonna do that. It was clear to us after we point out, say, the evidence was tampered with. and them still choose to uphold the initial conviction. When me them say them want to reduce the sentence, me I say, what them want? Them want just that alone for be alright. The teacher can say, alright, them gonna reduce the sentence. I will not about to take the move to the appeal court. That's what them feel like. Sometimes I have to wonder if them just do certain things because them have the powers to do it. I them really think it through. Were the advisors who advise them when making decisions like this? I don't know, but at the end of the day, this is their rule in viewers and subscribers. They must say 2.5 years after everybody's sentence. Not just Vybz Kartel alone, but also Madsus, Cairo, and also Shanstan. Everybody gets the same 2.5 years shaved off. But never, as I say, I can't state it as a reduced sentence. All I can say is them shave off some time. You know what I mean? Them shave off some years after what them that say was mandatory. I know them I say the rest of the years is still mandatory because this is before being eligible for parole, not before being released. Being eligible to be released. Well, 30 odd years, 20 odd years, only per years. Joke settings. Joke. Yo, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know your opinion. Were you, because me there's some people that make certain reasonings and then they point to certain reasons why them feel like say them they go all involved in the situation would have received a drastically reduced sentence. If you are one of those individuals, explain to me what was the mindset behind the thought and what is the thought now. If this is however something that you expected, tell me why you expect that. And also keep in mind the move is still strong. Privy council will think there. So, you know what I mean? Me myself, as I say, wasn't really paying attention much to what the sentence would be. Because one thing was clear to me. After we could have pointed out everything in an appeal court. And them still choose to pass a ruling like the one they passed. It was clear, so yo, the system will always do what the system do. You know what I mean? There was no way them not gonna give it what we as the people, as the nation, as a society consider as justice. And I guess some would say, oh, maybe it's because we're not in full understanding of the law. Well, maybe more of the law should be taught in school, so that you are aware of the laws that govern your country while growing up. Because if I understand, we don't understand what is justice then. You know what I mean? Then explain to us. But they need to explain the reasons why this is them ruling. Them give you an explanation when them choose to uphold the initial ruling. Now hear why them choose to shave off and go 2.5 years. That they need to do. No, they never give you a statement on that. They never explain to us why 2.5 years was the amount they allocated. And why them feel like that was the right amount of years to shave off. And then package and brand it as justice. Or as a reduced sentence. Talk to me in the comment section, always open 24/7. Comment section never lock yet, no matter when you see the vlog. As I'm point out, though, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, viewers and subscribers. What are the reasoning that are the reasoning, viewers and subscribers? They must say, yes, they are saying the teacher, Shanstan, Madsus, Cairo, only deserve 2.5 years shaved off the initial sentence. I don't agree, not time. I feel like them should walk on this. Yeah, them should free. But you can't prove the matter cannot be proven. And we can't work with gut feeling in situations like this. So for all who say, yo, them have a gut feeling. I notice most people who advise them opinion and say, yo, yeah man, I true, I say it go, it take place. It's a gut feeling them have because they never did it. Gut feeling them work off of basically no evidence. You can't talk about voice notes. You can't talk about blurry video. The fact that the individual was not at the location. These are not things that we cannot dismiss. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon. and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers, you know how the thing go. Like icon today, share icon, tell a friend, tell a friend. For tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, comment section, 24/7. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. You know the settings, and for those who don't, you wanna move settings from when I need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are gonna live, love and prosper until we reason again.